Guys, welcome back again to my channel. If you're new here or you're seeing this face for the very first time, thank you so much for stopping by. Do consider joining this amazing family. And if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back. I really appreciate and I do not take your support for granted. Happy New Year, guys. I mean, we're still in January, so it's still safe to say Happy New Year. I hope you guys are doing well. So in this video, probably from the title, you already know what we're talking about. Without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So guys, today I'll be talking about six things that you should consider doing this year 2024. And by the end of 2024, which is December 2024, by God's special grace, you'll be glad you did. You'll be glad you started. You'll be glad you put in that effort. So first point, very important, is God. It may sound like a cliche, like everybody is talking, put God first. Put God first this year, this 2024, where we did so. Put God first. Because what can you do without God? Like, I myself am a testimony that you cannot do anything without God. So whatever you plan to do this year, please put God first. Like, God should be number one. If you don't put him first, where are you going to put him? You have to put him at the beginning and at the end, because he's the Alpha and the Omega. So put God first. That is point one. I repeat myself. Put God first. Point two, or number two, stop overthinking that thing. Stop it. Should I do it? Should I not do it? Should I start it? Stop overthinking it. Overthinking doesn't solve any problem. It just makes matters worse. So please stop overthinking it. And this is why you have to refer back to point one, putting God first. Just put God in anything you're doing and leave it with him. Leave it to him. Overthinking will not solve the problem. Like I said, it will only make matters worse. So there's no, just remove overthinking this year. Surrender it to God and go for it with full force. The third point, don't be afraid to walk alone. Don't be afraid to walk alone. I'm not saying you should be alone now, but don't be afraid to walk alone. What am I trying to say? Focus. Whatever you want to do this year, focus. See, they say focus like deaf. You know deaf people? They're just straight going. Stand straight like 6 o'clock. Stand straight. Focus. Once you've gotten to your destination, then only you can start to, carry people along, or then only you can start to focus on every other thing. But for the meantime, focus, walk alone. Even when it's time to run, example, now you want to run. If you have one luggage here, another luggage here, it will weigh you down. So walk alone. It will allow you to get to your destination faster. Avoid crowd. I hope you understand my point. In summary, just focus. Focus like deaf. And you'll be glad you did. Number 4, focus on yourself. Yes, focus on yourself, your personal self. Focus, because you can't pour from an empty cup. You can't give what you don't have. The people people you are prioritizing, if you break down today, there is no way you can help them. So prioritize yourself first. Put yourself first. Not that you should be a narcissist though. People might say, oh, you're selfish, you're you. Yes, let it be you. Because you can't give what you don't have. If you don't focus on your own self, develop yourself mentally, spiritually, physically, financially, and otherwise, how will you be able to give out? So be determined this year 2024 that you focus on yourself before, or rather prioritize yourself before anybody else. Number 5, start doing that thing you've always wanted to do. The 5th point, start that thing you've been wanting to start. You've had it in mind, you're waiting for the right time. There is no right time. There can never be a right time. The right time is the exact time you decide to start. Haven't you procrastinated enough? Are you not tired of procrastinating? You want to take a course? Take it now. Register. Start studying for it. You want to start a business? Pray to God. Start it. You want to go back to school? It's this year. Start. You wanted to start a YouTube channel? I will start today, tomorrow. Start today. You want to go into blogging? Start it. You've had it in mind since, and maybe you're thinking, oh, people say, how will they accept it? Will they welcome it? Start it. Stop thinking about what people will say. No matter what, people will talk. Whether you do good, you do bad, you start the course, you don't start, you start the business, you don't start, people will still talk. Last, it'll be all right. But for your own sake, your happiness and fulfillment, start it today. A lot can happen in 1 year. We are just in January now. So before December, you'd have gone far. And by December 2024, by God's grace, you'll be like, I'm glad I started this. I'm glad I took this bold step. You would have gone far. So whatever you've had in mind to do for years, start today. Number 6. This is for my fellow mommies. My fellow sisters in the Lord. Stop operating as a superwoman. Stop it. You've tried. Super wife, super mom, super woman. Stop it. It will not kill you to rest. It will not kill you to delegate. It will not kill you to ask for help. Delegate when you can. Ask for help. A lot of people don't ask. They say, I don't know if they'll agree to help me. I don't know if it's okay. Just ask. Have you tried? Did you try to ask and you didn't get assistance? You have a partner. You have children. You have siblings. You have in-laws. You have friends. Some of you have children of 6, 7. Some people start at the age of 5. Clear up where you've messed up. Your toys. Do dishes. Clear the table. Those little things, it can relieve you. Your spouse will help you look after the children while you take a nap. You are not doing anybody any good. It's yourself. So please stop operating as a superwoman this year. Rest. They know they give award for sufferhead, so rest, my sister, is necessary. My last point: save. Children of God, save. Oh, e get why. Save. You've been spending, and tomorrow think about yourself. Blah, blah. Save. You are not working, right? You're depending on your husband, your partner to give you monthly income, weekly income. From that income, save. You will need it. You are working, you are doing business, save. Like, I can't even overemphasize the importance of savings. Money that is in your name, your own name. This £1, this £10, this £50,000 is in my name. OSARO is my own. Save. It will come in handy. You don't know when you will need it though. But this year 2024, save. It gets why. Save. Start saving now and see what you will have by December. Then you come back and come and thank me. Save. So the last point before I round up this video today is a bonus point, and is no grief for anybody. Yes, no grief, not violence, but don't allow anything negative to trample on your happiness. This year, don't entertain any form of negativity. It has to be positive vibes only. Yes, I don't know what people mean by no grief for anybody, and they'll be saying maybe their own is violent. My own is not violent, so I'm just trying to tell you that you should guard your heart, because even the Bible said it in Proverbs 4:23. It said, guard your heart with all diligence. Guard it, like hold it with the whole of your chest. Don't allow any form of negativity come near it. Procrastination is negativity. Stop it. And with this, I've come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed it, or you feel there is any point I didn't add, anything you would have wished I talked about, any point, or at all, any suggestion you think is going to be beneficial to people this year 2024, just drop it down in the comment section and we'll learn one or two. We'll see your own opinion, because this is my opinion I've dropped for you guys now. This 6 points plus the bonus. My own opinion. So let me hear your own opinion in the comment section. Thank you guys for watching. See you in my next video. Bye. Remain blessed and have a wonderful, positive vibes filled and blessed 2024.